Go to the filter menu in Photoshop and down to blur and motion blur. Set the value to about 280 and click OK. To change your colours, go to image menu and auto tone or adjustments and apply. How to create an effect like this in under 2 minutes. Select a layer such as the background layer, then go to the brush tool in the tools panel, select that, set the size of the brush to about 500 or 1000, something like that, and make certain you use soft round. Set a very low opacity, 23. The useful panel, swatches. So I'm just going to apply a little red, some yellow, and you can see you can create very beautiful blurry colours to create a lovely gradient effect with blues and greens and reds. All kinds of colourful gradients can be created very quickly using this approach. Something like this. Once you've done that, go to Filter and then down to Distort and Wave. In the wave, set the number of generators to 1. Set the wavelength to very, very low, 1 to 10. Sine, also amplitude. Make it maybe 279. You can just vary that value, up to you. But I would suggest about 350. Repeat and click OK. Then go to Filter and Blur and down to Motion Blur to create a lovely motion blur effect like that. Set it to about 280. Of course, it depends on the size of the document. This document's about 2000 by 1000. Click OK. You may want to recolor it a bit, so go to Image menu and Auto Tone, and you get this kind of effect. Also, of course, you can modify it using Image menu, Adjustments, and all of these adjustments, or perhaps go to a layer, New Adjustment layer, and apply an adjustment layer.